everybody. This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxing, as you know, and I'm gonna be doing my Q&A today. It's like sort of like an all-out review, but I didn't really watch it, but I watched the highlights of it, so I'm gonna give my honest reactions to it. So I was like watching like part of the CM Punk and Darby Allin match, which are like two of my all-time favorites. So Darby Allin and Punk, I mean that's a match. This is 7 year. Sorry. This is his 7 year comeback. So it's Punk and Allin, and great match, by the way. Of the things I watched for the highlights. Punk won with a GTS I saw, which it was like an okay match, but it was awesome to see him back in a ring and with an ice cream bar, which he was paying for at the door. So you could walk out the Chicago Center with a ice cream bar. Dude, a person got one on Twitter, like she posted a picture, $16 for one. Holy crap, you guys. $16 for an ice cream bar? Yes, I know it had like fancy packaging, but like, come on. And then there was Kenny Omega and Christian Cage. Now, I didn't see that match, but I saw the ending. No, wait, first of all, it was Adam Cole, baby. Dude, like, that was my reaction. He's here. He got released from WWE finally. But like, I was happy to see him, and like some sort of sad actually, because he was a great talent and for NXT, but I'm sort of glad he left now, because we were hearing rumors of a call up on Raw for him. And you know what his call up was supposed to be? You want to know what his call up was supposed to be? Do you? Well, you clicked on the video, so he was supposed to be Keith Lee's manager. Keith Lee's manager. What? Like, are you kidding me? But yeah, that was the story that was going around on the internet. And then now I didn't see SmackDown yet, but I am launching Clash of Champions 2017, so that's why this headphone is in. Oh crap. Why isn't this working? Sorry guys. Okay, it's not working. Okay, so back to what I was saying. So Adam Cole came out like, holy shit, holy shit, and then like like he's talking about like the Bullet Club is back, and then we hear uh uh no way. It got me to tears. Like it brought me to tears when I saw this. Bryan Danielson is here. Like he was announced when Punk, like the week before, like 3 weeks before Punk was supposed to be there, but like still, it brought me to tears. And like I'm like saying like Daniel Bryan is actually all elite. He is actually all elite. And like he was gone from like I think like like right after WrestleMania, so like he had a match against Roman Reigns with his career on the line and all that. And so again, that brought me to tears. And then today was SmackDown. Um, I didn't watch it because I'm on vacation right now, and I don't think Peacock has it on yet. I don't think it's like a random occurrence. Home. Let's see. Oh wow, I need to watch that 9/11 thing. Oh my god. It's Peacock is on August 6th. So no, I will not be watching SmackDown until I get home. But I didn't see it happen live, but like I just I I just saw it on YouTube. Brock is back. Uh, I, I, I don't know what to say. Finn Balor Demon is back, bitch. Now, I know how you don't like. Well, well, some of you do, some of you don't. But I love Demon Finn Balor. Now, so the headphones probably don't work on this anymore. So like, Demon Finn Balor is back. Holy crap! Is gonna face Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship in 2 weeks. Extreme Rules. Dude, imagine if Finn Balor actually wins this thing. Imagine that. He gets his championship back after 5 effing years. 5 years. 17, 18, 19. Yeah, 5 years. April 21st, 2016 was a Raw. Wait, crap. When? What? Oh, wait, crap. I'm screwed up. Sorry, guys. SummerSlam 2016. Okay. Yeah. August 22nd, 2016. So, at SummerSlam, if you guys don't know, Seth Rollins did a buckle bomb on the apron, like no, not the apron. I'm stupid. On the barricade, and it popped it popped Balor's shoulder out. So like he just did this, and he popped it back in. So he finished the match. He won the championship. Yada yada yada. And then the next night on Raw, he had to relinquish it, but he got a rematch in 2019 versus Brock Lesnar at the Royal Rumble, and he lost. And he hasn't got a championship match yet. But I think the only reason why he didn't win because he wasn't the demon. He wasn't the demon. He wasn't the demon. I believe that, and probably some of you believe that. But do you think he will win Extreme Rules? Do I think he'll win Extreme Rules? Hey, you just have to wait until the pay-per-view and wait until my predictions. And Extreme Rules is I can't wait. I can't wait to get this on DVD. And the bad part about this is it's like so hard. Yeah, so it's Roman Reigns versus Demon Finn Balor. So it's like hard to to get this off my chest. Why in the world do you book Bobby Lashley versus Randy Orton for Extreme Rules if you're just gonna have it on Raw the next week? What? Okay. I seriously can't wait for this pay-per-view. I mean, you have Alexa Bliss versus Charlotte Flair. You have Roman Reigns versus the Demon Finn Balor. And you have Priest versus Sheamus. Oh, God help me. And then Lynch versus Bianca Belair so far. But, like I said, I've been waiting for the Universal title shot for Finn, like, the Demon Finn Balor, not like the real Finn Balor, because I believe I believe the real Finn Balor cannot win. Like, but the demon from like hell can go out on a win. So back to All Out for a minute. So Adam Cole came back. He's talking. Bryan Danielson came out. Like I probably already said that, but like can you imagine the matches? Like, can you imagine the hype for this man? Like the Yes Movement, and like just a day, like a couple days after he made his debut, he he um he he challenged Kenny Omega to a world title shot. Not like that, but they're like guiding for it, like building for it. That's very word, like guiding. But yeah, so it's gonna be possibly Daniel Bryan and Omega for the AEW title, and if and I believe we're gonna get a new champion because Kenny Omega has been holding that for almost a year, and like what, October, what the hell, October, November, December, in 3 months he is gonna become a year champion. Now, do you think Daniel Bryan will win it in less than 3 months, or after Kenny Omega hits the year mark? I don't know, because November 13th is Full Gear. Oh yeah. So I ordered a couple DVDs from AEW shop, and they haven't shipped yet. So I don't know if I should call them or just let wait out a bit. Oh, and yes, I have uploaded my WWE 2014 collection. So that link will be in the description below. And yeah, guys, if I have any questions real fast, I will let you know soon. Huh. Yeah, so I can't wait to get All Out on. I can't wait to get All Out on DVD. Like, I I can't wait. In like 2 or 3 weeks, I think. That they come out or something. But I'll keep you guys updated on the AEW orders that I did. So, if it doesn't come in the next couple of days when I'm home, I will just call them, because it has been 3 weeks almost. I ordered them on the 24th. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's been 3 weeks. And they haven't shipped yet. So I don't know what to do. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, and I will get back to Clash of Champions 2017, and possibly I'll buy some eBay pickups. I don't know, some WWE DVDs. I'm not sure yet. Possibly from 2018, 2019. Maybe the Royal Rumble sets. I'm gonna watch the DVD Freak about the Royal Rumble set, the true story of the Royal Rumble, possibly on Blu-ray or DVD. I might get that Kurt Angle set. Although my birthday is coming up. Let's see, 2017. Holy shit! It's going for $30 on eBay. What about on Amazon? Kurt Angle DVD. Oh my god, it's going for like 20. Why? Kurt Angle champion from TNA. The audio CD costs $200. Oh wait, no. 158. But let's see what the DVD is. Oh look, it doesn't even have DVD. Hold on. See buying options. 15, 17. Okay, so brand new is $40. I mean, it looks cool. Alright guys, I might just buy the CM Punk Blu-ray, I'm not sure. I've been wanting that for years, but I just picked this up at a store. It's from a song I like. It says "Toes in the Sand, Drink in My Hand." If you ever heard of Thomas Rhett, his song "Vacation," these are the song lyrics of half of his song. So yeah, that's cool that I got that for myself. So this has been Patrick Coors Unboxings, and I'm out. Peace.